Well, the pollen count still on the high side, down from where it was yesterday, but still a little uncomfortable for those who suffer from allergies to pine, to oak, birch, sweet gum, and hackberry. So it's the tree pollens that are still the major issue here. Grasses and weeds still on the low side, but over 1,000 particles per cubic meter of air. And you know, Saturday we were up over 1,900. Sunday, because it was so warm on Saturday we hit a high temperature of 77 degrees. It was sunny, and look at this, extremely high. It was the highest count so far this year. In fact, it was the highest count since last April 12th, 2018. So incredibly high. Everybody was complaining about it. They were loving the sunshine. They were hating the pollen. And then we had the rain come in, cause some pollen puddles on Sunday. You could see them in all the parking lots. And we really were hoping it would take the pollen down a little bit more drastically today, but it really just knocked it down a little bit. It's still in the high range and still causing problems for many allergy sufferers. And with the rain tonight, it may help a little bit for tomorrow, but with temperatures on the rise, once we get into this week, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we'll likely see it start to spike again by around Wednesday and Thursday. As the temperatures rise, so does the pollen. Good news is we do have some rain in the forecast as we head towards Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Hopefully that'll knock the pollen count back down again. But you can be assured that we will see some real spikes in the coming days along with those warm temperatures. So keep those tissues and all that allergy medication handy, unfortunately. Stay healthy.